What's up, guys? It's Gianna.
Yo, yo, yo! Baki is in the house, too. That's right. And we are gonna react. The silly face is back. And Miss T is sneezing on the sauna. Was it today that you uploaded?
Yeah, 5 views on the video, and let's react.
Let's go!
What's up, guys? This is Gianna. Today we are gonna see that silly face. Ha ha ha. Oh boy.
Gianna, is this today that you uploaded?
Yeah, let's continue. The horrid smell from the stinky bomb should match Miss T's horrid personality well. Throw it in the sauna and reveal her misery.
Oh, wow! Miss T is gonna do exercises.
Baki, yeah, she is gonna do exercises. Hold up, let me pause. You didn't see the new video today.
No! Right now, I'm seeing it.
Okay,
Okay, now she's doing exercises.
let's what I'm gonna say. Okay, what's this loading? Let me check. Probably this is Aqua hating dinosaur kisses.
Hey, stop saying about dinosaur kisses. I heard that.
Sorry, Aqua.
Miss T is doing exercises, I can see it. Did you saw the reference of the beginning of my new video? Miss T is doing exercises, I can see it.
I did. Let's continue hearing what you say.
A sneezing poison, that will get it. We will see that silly old woman face. Let's speed up the video.
Did you said silly old woman face?
Yeah, Aqua's hated personality is dinosaur kisses.
Stop saying dinosaur kisses.
Get out of my way, treasure box. Let's see her in the sauna, and hopefully it's time to see that silly face. I made Aqua angry. Miss T is in the sauna, and let me get vinegar ketchup and a hot sauce to throw on the sauna too. I placed a bear trap in the front door. After we say dinosaur kisses in Aqua's face, she gets angry.
Yes. Now let's continue.
First vinegar, ketchup, let's see that silly face. Hot sauce, oh dear, you missed. Sneezing poison time. Haha, that silly face, look at the silly face. Ha 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 ha.
That silly face. I never seen it before.
She's sneezing. Now time to throw a stinky bomb. I think she's sneezing because she smelled feathers. And hey, she's sneezing in the sauna.
Let's see her reaction. Ha 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 ha. At the end, she coughed in slow motion.
Bye, guys. Bye bye.